guys, it's me again. So like, comment, share, and subscribe before we start. And okay, I already showed it. First thing, I will show you and teach you how to make a plushy seatbelt. Ow. Okay. First thing is, okay, sorry. I found it. So this one ID thing, this ID for the ID. Make sure, but double check that it has this, and this, and put that there. A plushie. The name is Hubby. Okay, Hubby, stay there. Okay. And a bag. This is a bag. And double check that it has supplies. School supplies, not toy supplies. So I'm gonna put it to the other side. Ow! Okay. I'm gonna put here. We're gonna turn it around. Okay. Wait, why is it not standing? It's not standing. Okay, there. Gonna sit here then. This one, you see this? And this? Oh. We need this ID thing. First, we need to split them up. Get it? Okay. Okay. It's very hard to split it up. So, we're gonna put this here, like this, okay? This one, okay? And here. Oh. There. Now it's in. We're gonna zoom it here, up. When it's already in the white, stop. We're gonna do the other one. And then we're gonna get this. Split them up like this and this too. So it's already split up. It's like a jumping rope. Ow! Okay. Oh, it's gonna get this too. Okay. So you do not use the triangle one. Use the square one. Square? Yes, square. You're gonna put this in here. Okay, so it's very difficult to teach you. So this one and this one, you see that space thing? See that space? Gonna put that in here. Okay, put that in. Make sure that it's gonna come out right here. Okay. Okay. Now it's like that. We're gonna put them together like love. It's a prank. So we're gonna put them in here. There. Now it's already done. We're gonna pull this. Okay, we pull it already. Come here, Hubby. I will show you. First, set him down here. Second, wait. This one, we're gonna hands up first and then put it here. And then here we're gonna turn it around. Turn. And we're gonna get this at this side. Oh no, we didn't teach you. Oh my god. Why did I know this? Right there. You're gonna hands up the plushie and you're gonna put it at this side. So it's this side. You're gonna get this and this. You're gonna put it here and turn and turn. like that, tiny. Gonna get this in here. Gonna get it and then put it right here. See, put it there. Ta-da! Now we got a seatbelt for ouch! It's so for plushies, plushies. Okay, let me try to wear it because I can't. Like, oh, we need to tighten it up because this is so thin. Okay, we're gonna hit it. Hands up, hubby. Okay, we got it. Okay, I think like that. Oh, it's a long way to turn and turn. Whew. Not so serious. Okay, now we're gonna pluck it up. Oh. Oh. Pluck. Aw. He's so cute. So cute. And I will show you something. A trick, okay? You need to copy me. One finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn, 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 wait. Turn into a worm. Squirrel, squirrel, crawl, 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 crawl. Two fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn, turn, turn. Turn into a bunny ears. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Three fingers, turn, turn, turn. Turn, turn, turn. Turn into a whiskers. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Four fingers. Turn, turn, turn. Turn, turn, turn. Turn into a, wait. Turn into a crocodile. Snap, snap, snap. Snap, snap, snap. Five fingers. Turn, turn, turn. Turn, turn, turn. Turn into a bird.